We're here having some food with everybody from Law Tigers. It's snowing. This is the state of Trent. That's a long fucking slow race right there. We're here having some food. We just got to this spot with everybody from Law Tigers. And these motherfuckers put carrots and celery in chicken.
How dare they put that in the Asian mix?
Carrots and celery don't even grow in Asia. Oh, they put us in the back. They're smart.
They're smart.
This is a proper intro for Bike Week. It's official. It's started right now. Actually, it started yesterday. Actually, it starts Thursday and it's Tuesday. I'm totally full of shit.
Today's Wednesday.
Oh, it is?
It is.
Starts tomorrow. But here we are. It started for us yesterday. We rode up to Cottonwood, met up with Paul Yaffe and Ari from Law Tigers and their ride they got going on. This is the Throwdown. Evo Friends Throwdown. Me and Trent are on M8s, but they're single cam, so it's pretty much the same thing. We've got Giselle from Law Tigers. She does all the media and all that stuff.
Yep.
We're going to go on a ride today. It's going to be 40 degrees. It's not that warm in the desert all the time. Trent's hungover.
Yep.
Everybody's here. We'll keep you posted a little bit. We're going to film a little bit leading up basically to Metro Mayhem, and this is going to be a hit and miss kind of video. Justin's got the only proper Evo here. It's leaking.
This is Noel. Ryan?
That is Ryan. Thank you very much.
You got it, man. So Ryan sent these to us all the way from Ireland, and that's his company, Flame Art Design. It's our founding father. He initiated the Throwdown 4 years ago by calling me and inviting me to a challenge to build a bike, and me and him were going to build against each other and then go meet somewhere and ride into Cave Creek Bike Week. And then other friends were like, we want to do this. And they joined, and then it became 7 or 8 of us, and then it was 15 of us, and then it was 20 of us, and now we have crashers. That's if you guys are here for your first time and you weren't like on the list or whatever, now you're a crasher. So now you've done it. So now you're a Throwdown member. That's how it works. You crash it 1 year, and the next year you're part of it. So
Crasher.
Yeah, membership's easy. It's really just about camaraderie. It's about sharing the experience of building.
Snowing. I don't know if you can see it, but we are in the snow. It's snowing. Definitely snowing. We're gonna cut off and get some food. That's the end of the ride for us. We gotta go back to town and load up the trailer and get ready for the shop party tomorrow. Get ready for Metro Mayhem, but good Lord, it's 33 degrees and snowing. I got KRUESI Originals moto gloves on. Not it. They're not it for this weather at all. I can't feel my fingers a bit. You finding us some food? This is the state of Trent. We're at a Wendy's. It's Denny's. We're at Denny's. It's moderately snowing outside. We pulled off. We left the group. We're getting some breakfast and then head down to 17 to get down to get ready for tomorrow's party, unload our trailers. It's not any warmer inside this Denny's. Millhouse just texted Trent, and we've got 2 foreigners in the back seat.
You might have seen them before. Who's Millhouse? On this channel.
Who's Millhouse?
We've been here. Millhouse.
Fucking Millhouse from The Simpsons.
Oh, gotcha.
Stamp collection.
Everything's coming up, Millhouse.
But yeah, we're gonna go to dinner at Tokyo Lobby. We just had like 20 people just roll up to the shop on motorcycles from Minnesota that drove out here for the event. It's gonna be sick. This is gonna be a hell of a weekend. I'm still in the same soaking wet frozen clothes.
Same.
Trent's still
I feel
hungover.
a little bit better, but not much. I'm hoping a nice bowl of ramen will put me straight.
Yeah,
it's ramen time.
That'll warm you right up.
We're going to get ramen and sushi at Tokyo Lobby because never been there. It's fire. Are you excited?
Pretty excited.
We're getting ready. Miller's here.
Yeah,
it's
real.
Yeah, it's always the greatest of times when the Miller time shows up. We've got our friend Nick. Vanishing Ones is in the house. That's right. This fucking guy, Spin the Block, showed up with a school bus.
Gotta bring the short bus.
We're doing big things. It's gonna be a good time. Parking lot's getting prepped. Already spun the old Corvette around a few times. Took the cleaning lady from next door from the bar for a ride. Blew her mind. It was awesome. Made my day. Bikes are lined up. Gonna be a great time. All the homies are here. All the homies are coming out. Here we go. Clean that off with some alcohol and then line it up with the fucking bowl there. Yeah, that's the nicest trophy I ever made. That's a water recirculating percolation respiratory system device for opening up your lung capillaries and other things. It cures such diseases as hemophilia, grouchiness, and just generally being a dildo.
Good one.
Little dude eats.
Sup, dog?
Last guy to the speed bump. That's a long fucking slow race right there. Should we shorten it up? Last one to me wins. Are you ready? Oh, let's go, boys. Oh! James is down. Yeah. That's straight out of Canada, Mr. Miller time right here. Miller had a gyro surgically implanted in his ass when he was 6 years old. God damn. That's not even fair.
That boy moves too fast. He moves too fast, he can't do nothing.
Well done, let's hear it for the foreigner, everybody. Minnesota's showing strong. Oh, that guy is from South Dakota. What's your name? AJ, are you from Minnesota too?
Also from Minnesota.
Man, Minnesota's strong. South Dakota's in the house. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Lock it out! Are they gonna lock it up? Oh, these kids are killing it. Yeah. Let's go, boys! Oh, it's Bo. It's Bo. Yo, that was damn good. Being away too.
Hey, I ain't got nothing to do.
Mike Life Blake with the dick move. Oh, he's still in! He's gonna win! Let's go!
The KRUESI cornfield, buddy.
We've got a winner. This is a three-way, guys. These dudes are having a real solid three-way right now. Let's hear it for them. We don't see a lot of this action outside of Pornhub. You don't even have to pay for this. Oh my God, he goes down! He even pulls the dirty blocker right there. Oh, this is Minnesota throwdown right here. Couple of Minnesota mates. Tommy representing KRUESI Originals. We got cloudy days. Are you guys ready? Tommy, you better not let us down. You're fucking fired if you do. Here we go. Let's go. Bo's looking pretty good over there. Oh my God! Pack your shit. Oh, let's go, Bo. Tommy looked really look good. You better get another round in you after that. Let's go, Blockhead. Throw in one of these fist fighting sweatshirts right here too. Giving things away, unloading all of our old shit, you know? Oh, he's going to the ground! Oh my God! Oh, Tommy's done! Phone's down! Holy shit! Cloudy won?
And he wins the race.
But you knocked that smug Canadian smile right off his face. If I had to bet, I'd say James rode some moto. Oh, good job, good job, good job. You won, Miller.
Who won?
You did. Look good on you. Matches your eyes. Yeah. Let's go. Winner. Pick the winner. Super clean early model Dyna. 100%. I would build it that way myself. But
Thank you.
it's beautifully done. Love the paint set. Love every bit of it. All the hardware, all the little things, dude. Like, you know, when you make them this nice, it makes them not as fun to ride.
Yeah.
You know?
Already tested out your crash bar too yesterday. She
Yeah,
works.
they do their job. Yeah, good work, dude. Beautiful bike. Beautiful bike. Friday morning, it's setup time. It's early, super early. Just met Trent down here. Wife's here. We're loading up the trailer. Got most of the stuff out of storage to get that going, and now we're heading to the shop to load up. Then we're gonna go set up for Metro Mayhem, and it's cold.
Probably go see Tommy. Tommy went down yesterday.
Yeah.
Devastating. Fractured his collarbone, dislocated his shoulder, fractured his femur at his hip somewhere up there. He's going in for surgery today, so wish him well.
Fitting 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag. Yeah, we are back. Buddy Stubbs, Harley Davidson, one more time. All the homies are here. We're going to do a little walk around, look at bikes, and they're getting us something. Something special, something we're going to announce, because we're getting another motorcycle we're going to do something with. Actually, we're not going to do something with, but we're going to sponsor somebody to do something with. That's a surprise coming real soon. We're back in the truck. We're heading out to the racetrack. Bike's not here yet. Sounds like it's not getting dropped off till like 4 o'clock this afternoon. If it's getting dropped off today at all, we might not have it in time. It's one less thing I got to deal with, I guess. Here we go. Son of a bitch, really? There's quite a few people out here already. A lot of trailers. Yo, we're pulling in right now. Just a line of trailers and really lavish toter homes. All the companies are rolling in. All the racers are rolling in.